Hey everyone, Sunil here from Arclean. I want to show you this property. We're going to be pressure cleaning the entire section through here. This is a beautiful kind of sandstone. All of this will come up really well. As you can see, it's a fairly large area that we're doing here. Just going to show you here. I'll show you whilst I'm working as well. I look forward to getting some magic results for this customer. As you can see, it's a big area. Hey everyone, Sunil here from Arclean. Gives me great pleasure to show you this. Look at the transformation that's occurred in this space. These folks are preparing their property for sale, and the stone has just come up beautifully, absolutely beautifully. Now wait till you see this. Look at this entire section is transformed. So really happy for these customers. I think they've already expressed to me that so all of this edging was done here. All of this section right through here, all of the edging and surrounds of the sandstone here. All of these walls were washed down as well. They were pretty black. Now look at this courtyard. I mean, when I saw this stone, I knew it was going to come up beautifully. I just knew it. So absolutely wrapped.